In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your browser is managed by an organization on Microsoft Edge. Now the first step you want to do is open up Microsoft Edge and type in edge://management. Now in here, if it says this, then you should be fine to go. But if it says something else, you can try and remove it in here. There should be a button to remove it. Now if this still doesn't work, come down here and search for Registry Editor. And in here, what you want to do is you want to open up HKey Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, and find your Edge folder. If you have a folder named Edge in here, you want to right click on it and delete. After that, you want to head over to Microsoft Edge again, click here, go to Settings, find Reset Settings, click on this to reset it, and then you want to restart your PC. After this, it should be removed, and that's about it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.